12 Powerful Steps to Happiness. Why caring less can change your life forever. True freedom awaits. Story begins with a man named Adam who feels trapped in the chaos of his everyday life. From endless work deadlines to personal expectations, he's constantly trying to meet everyone's needs but never feels satisfied. He's exhausted, stressed, and unhappy. One evening, as Adam walks through the park, feeling defeated, he overhears a conversation between two strangers. They talk about how they found peace and happiness by simply letting go of things they can't control. Adam, skeptical at first, is intrigued. Could the answer to his unhappiness be this simple? Could it be that by caring less, he could be free from all the pressure? He can't stop thinking about this conversation. Could this really be the secret to happiness? But if he stops caring, what happens to his responsibilities, his relationships, his career? Doubt fills his mind, but curiosity keeps him awake at night. Adam decides to give this caring less philosophy a try, even though he's unsure if it will work. He starts with small steps, like ignoring the constant need to check his phone, and choosing to say no to tasks that drain him. At first, it feels uncomfortable. He's used to pleasing others and staying on top of everything. But as days go by, Adam begins to feel lighter. He stops stressing about every little detail and starts prioritizing what truly matters. As he follows the 12 steps, the transformation begins. Each step brings him closer to the peaceful freedom he's longed for. He feels more in control of his happiness, and for the first time in years, he's smiling again. But just when Adam begins to enjoy his new life, an unexpected challenge arises, one that could test everything he's learned. A huge opportunity for a promotion comes Adam's way at work, but it's the exact thing he used to work himself into the ground for. The old Adam would have jumped at the chance, sacrificing his happiness to please others and advance his career. But now, with the 12 steps in mind, he wonders, is this really worth sacrificing my peace again? The internal battle rages on. Should he accept the promotion, or should he continue living his life with less stress and more joy? In the end, Adam decides to stay true to himself. He turns down the promotion, focusing on his happiness instead of the external validation he once craved. By caring less about things outside his control, he finds true freedom and happiness. The story ends with Adam embracing his new mindset, realizing that the less he cared about others' expectations, the happier and more fulfilled he became, and now he's living the life he always dreamed of, full of peace, balance, and happiness.